Hi students, welcome back to our session. Today's session we are going to discuss expansion, exercise 4C and exercise 4D. Both the concept we are going to discuss, and as well as based on that concept we are going to solve the exercise problem. 8th main, they have given x plus y minus z is equal to 4. X square plus y square plus z square is equal to 30. Then we need to find the value of xy minus yz plus zx. So here in the square formula, totally we have 4 formulas. Definitely you will get confused because which formula we have to take to find the value of xy minus yz plus zx. Okay, now here in the question definitely they will give the hint to find. So here we have x plus y minus z value, right? So for this just you take a square on both sides. Here because we have a square, so just I am going to apply the formula x plus y minus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into here x into y you will get xy, and the next plus into minus you will get a minus yz, and here next y into z if you take plus into minus it will be minus zx. So definitely you will get this term. So just I am going to substitute the values. X plus y minus z value it is 4. Just I am going to substitute 4 square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square value it is 30 plus 2 into xy minus yz minus zx. So when you shift this plus 30 to the opposite side, here it is going to become a minus. So 4 square value it is 16 minus 30 is equal to 2 into xy minus yz minus zx. 30 minus 16 you will get 14. So we need to put here minus, the biggest sign, so minus 14. When you shift this 2 to the opposite side, so multiplication, opposite side it will become it as division. So you can write of minus 14 divided by 2 is equal to xy minus yz minus zx. Therefore the value of xy minus yz minus zx is equal to, so if you simplify this, 1 2 is 2, 7 2 is 14, you will get a minus 7 is the answer. So this is the final answer. Okay, now we will move to the exercise 4D. In the exercise 4D we are going to use the identities of exercise 4A, 4B and 4C. Based on this identities we are going to solve the problems in exercise 4D. In this exercise we have 2 more new concept. Here we have the first main, if x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 0 and x cube plus 4y cube plus 9z cube is equal to 18 into x into y into z. We need to evaluate here x plus 2y whole square divided by xy plus 2y plus 3z whole square divided by yz plus 3z plus x whole square divided by zx. Okay, now if you look at this first condition, we have here x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 0. Here in the first condition we have x plus 2y. So just I am going to keep this x plus 2y. Remaining this 3z I am going to send to the opposite side. So x plus 2y is equal to minus 3z we got. Next here 2y plus 3z. So when you shift this x to the opposite side, here it will become minus x. Okay, now here next we have 3z plus x. So this is 3z and here we have x. So just you keep in the left side 3z plus x is equal to, so here the leftover it is 2y. When you shift this plus 2y to the opposite side, you are going to get the value as minus 2y. Okay, in the expression, just I am going to substitute the values here. In the first expression, substituting values in equation 1. So when you substitute here, in the place of x plus 2y, here we are going to substitute minus 3z whole square, minus 3z whole square divided by xy plus, and here we have in the place of 2y plus 3z, I am going to substitute minus x whole square divided by yz plus, here in the place of 3z plus x, I am going to substitute a minus 2y whole square divided by zx. Okay, further if I simplify this, what we will get the answer? So this square it is common for the sign and as well as for numerical value and for the variable also. So minus here it will become plus 9z square divided by xy plus, here minus minus it will become plus, so you will get x square divided by yz plus, here you will get minus into minus it will be plus, 2 square it is 4 y square divided by zx. In between the terms we have here plus, so we need to take LCM of xy comma yz comma zx is equal to x into y into z. To get here it is z, just I am going to multiply both numerator and denominator by z, and here I am going to multiply, we have yz, I need to multiply x into x and here also into x. So here we have zx, just I need to multiply y and here also it is y. So further if you simplify, you will get 9z cube divided by xyz plus, and here we have x cube divided by xyz plus, and here we have 4y cube divided by zxy. Okay, now in this we have all the bases are same, only once I will write xyz. So numerator just I am going to simplify 9z cube plus x cube plus 4y cube. Okay, if you check the given condition, here we have x cube plus 4y cube plus 9z cube is equal to 18 into x into y into z. So this is a given condition in the question they have given. So just I am going to substitute. We have here 9x cube, 9z cube, here 9z cube, x cube, here also x cube, 4y cube, 4y cube. So here instead of this value I can substitute 18 into x into y into z. So 18 xyz divided by xyz. So further if we simplify this value, we are going to get the value as xyz it is going to be get cancelled. So finally the answer it is 18. So this is the final answer. Okay, now if you see the third main, we have here in the expansion of 2x square minus 8 into x minus 4 whole square, find the value of coefficient of x cube. We need to find coefficient of x square and we need to find the constant term. Okay, now here solution, given the value here 2x square minus 8 into x minus 4 whole square. First I am going to apply the formula for, okay, now I am going to apply the formula here, x minus 4 whole square, 2x square minus 8, let it be this term. Here you will get x square plus 4 square, here we have minus 2 into 4 into x. So further if we simplify, 2x square minus 8 into x square, 4 4s are 16 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 into x it is 8x. Now here first we need to take first term and you have to multiply each and every term here. So when you multiply, what we will get the answer? 2x square into x square plus 2x square into 16 plus into minus 2x square into 8x. Next you need to take the second term and you have to multiply each and every term here. So you will get the answer as minus 8 into x square plus into minus, here it will be minus. So minus 8 into 16 minus into minus, here you will get plus 8 into 8x. Okay, now further if you simplify this, we'll get 2x square, you will get x power 4 plus 16 2s are 32. So you will get 32x square minus 8 2s are 16x cube minus 8 into x square, you will get 8x square minus 6 8s are 48, 4 remainder, 8 plus 4 it is 12 plus 8 8s are 64x. Okay, here we are going to make in the ascending order. So here we will get the answer as, first we have power 4, so 2x power 4, next it is x cube, so x cube will get here a minus 16x cube, and the next here plus 32x square minus 8x square, so here you will get plus 24x square, and we have plus 64x minus 128. Okay, now here this is the final answer. Further we cannot simplify this expression. Next what we need to do, just I am going to find the coefficient of x cube. Therefore the coefficient of x cube, so x cube here we have, so x cube coefficient it is minus 16. Next coefficient of x square, so x square means except this x square remaining it is 24, the sign it is positive, so I will write 24. Next we need to find here constant term, so constant term here we have minus 28. So this is the final answer for this question. Therefore we got the coefficient of x cube value, it is minus 16, and the next the coefficient of x square it is 24. Here we have the constant term, it is 128. So this is the final answers.